Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Shit! Get off of me! Road's blocked. Now we gotta deal with this.
Is there any way to get around it?
Doesn't look like it. On foot, maybe. Can't really afford to do that now.
This seems like a safe area. All this brush will stop anything from creeping up on us.
Why don't you and I go look around?
Yeah, everyone else relax. Well, stay close to Kenny and Kat, okay?
Lee, if you come across anything to drink, if there's a dining car or something, I think Duck's a bit dehydrated.
It's a freighter, hon. Be careful in there.
What, you think there might be something dangerous inside an abandoned locomotive? Hadn't crossed my mind.
Alright.
Hey, Sweet Pea, you okay out here?
I don't think Duck feels good.
He don't. He gonna die.
What would you have done with Lily?
I don't know. Left her? I've never seen anybody kill someone like that before.
Yeah, you've seen a bunch of other stuff by now.
Yeah, but not like that.
Was it you?
Not this again.
Was it?
No!
Okay then. You happy you stayed with us all this time?
Yeah,
Really?
it's with you guys or dead. I would have died out there in the woods, just like my classmates.
You think this is better?
Yeah, of course. Whoa.
Somebody's been living in here.
Yeah, man. Shit, think they're gone?
I hope so, but this looks recently used. Be on the lookout and have your guard up. A map of where the train goes. I think these tracks might lead to the coast. Route 27, Savannah. That's where Kenny's got us headed. I'll take this to Katja for Duck.
No, I won't. I'll give that to Clementine. Yeah. Nigga finna die. What am I giving him water for?
Nothing.
What the fuck? You don't think he dead though? Looked like he hit the window in front of him.
Suppose
Yeah, he's already dead.
Yeah. I don't think this guy came back.
Christ. That light is blinking.
Push it.
Push it?
Why not?
Are you fucking serious?
Here, look. It's just the brakes.
Okay, I'll give you that one.
This fucker works?
Seems like it.
I'll be damned. How the hell do we get it moving?
I don't know. That's Mr. Amtrak over here.
No clue.
We found this in the boxcar back there.
Whoa, is this what it looks like?
I think so.
This hoss will take us right to Savannah. 100 tons of steel. Put 1,000 walkers between us and the ocean, and we don't have to give a shit. I can't believe it.
Just have to figure out how to get it started.
I'm sure we can figure it out. How tough could it be?
No idea, but we'll find out.
That's the spirit. Man, if you could keep an eye on the girls and Duck, I'd appreciate it. I'm gonna make sense of these controls. Man, this could be exactly what we need.
Shit, this is it. Instructions on starting the engine. Damn, pages are gone. I can kind of see the indentations from the writing. Jesus! This door's gonna hurt.
Yeah, we got it there.
You aren't gonna like this.
Are you fucking serious? What the fuck? I thought you were supposed to wait until he was there, but he just fucking killed me. Lame ass nigga.
Bunch of maps about Georgia's cities. Nothing about the train. Hey, Ken.
What's up?
God, we need some help getting this train going.
People take notes, right, when we're working on stuff like this? We're smart guys. We can figure it out.
You want to talk about Duck? I'm really sorry, Kitty. Nobody deserves this.
There's nothing to talk about. You heard Cat. He could be fine.
We probably shouldn't ignore.
But he won't.
Nobody's ignoring nothing. I'm not worried. You shouldn't be either.
I'll get back to it.
Me too.
notice a notepad on the train. Do you have any pencils or anything in your pack?
No, I wish. Maybe in the RV. What do you need it for?
There used to be something written on the notepad that I need to know about.
Well, if you're not using it, I'd take it. I'm out of paper, and there's all sorts of new leaves around here.
We found a notebook that we think might have had some starter directions on it, but the page is missing.
Well, I'm sure you guys will figure it out.
Perfect.
You can read it now?
Yeah, should be able to just follow the steps to get the engine on.
Sounds good.
It's down, down, up, up. Up, down, up.
Son of a bitch! Whatever you did lit the dash up.
So far, so good.
Mm-hmm. Five. Oh, he's in it. Okay.
Now we're talking.
Mm-hmm.
Ew. Nothing about the train. Hey, Ken.
What's up?
With the directions I was able to piece together, I think I might be able to get this thing started. I don't know. It's a long shot. I don't even know what the fuel situation is with this thing.
We'll find out. You mess around in the engine compartment yet?
All right, then.
Yep.
The engine compartment. Ah. I think it's this way. And then this way. Yup.
Holy shit! We're golden!
This thing is loud.
So what? We're barreling down the tracks at 40 miles an hour. I don't care about the noise. Let's fucking enjoy this.
It's true.
Mom, Let's see if she'll move. It's all yours. Damn it. Of course, we're still attached. Can you go find out where we're stuck? Get us unstuck?
Yeah.
Brody mad as fuck, he can't shoot back, he left his heater. Fucking up, tryna flex his bitch in that two-seater. Big bro said the market, we think she gained this truck, we beat her. Evil twins, we be out rapping niggas.